And the devils are two. There are internal devils within us, and that is al-qareen, and there are external devils. These external devils that roam freely and go around from place to place, they are the ones that are literally locked up. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said, سُلْسِلَةِ الشَّيَاطِينَ السَّلَاسِل, meaning they are actually chained up. As for the external devils are locked up. What about the internal devil? What happens to him? Al-Qareen. Al-Qareen, my brothers and sisters in Islam, and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says, إِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ لَيَجْرِي مِنْ إِبْنِ آدَمَ مَجْرَى الدَّمِ. That the shaitan, he flows in one's body like how blood flows in the body. And Al-Qareen, what happens to him during Ramadan is that his effect will dramatically be reduced, and his evil whispering would be reduced. He's still there, but you know, how does this make sense? Because when you're fasting, a fasting person only has a strong desire for food and drink. When you're fasting and you're extremely hungry and thirsty, what do you think about? You think about food. And thinking about food is permissible because you're thinking about something permissible. Now imagine someone that has eaten and is fully satisfied. What does he think about? His desire begins to think about al-haram, thinking about evil temptations and desires and so on. So the one who is starved, his shaitan that's inside, and literally when a person is fasting, the veins inside and the arteries, they dilate, they come in, they become small, and he's in there flowing in your body, so it's constricted upon him. And until you're hungry and you're thirsty, you're only thinking of that which is halal, your desire is that for which is halal, you're far away from thinking about anything haram, and that is the shaitan's evil whispering being reduced in the month of Ramadan. For Allah Azza wa Jal, He removes the biggest distraction from our lives, and this is why you find the people doing good in Ramadan, such goodness that they can never see themselves doing before or after Ramadan. This is the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon the believers.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand, or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.